Hey guys, this is Brandon with MacDermid Design. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our RZR storage box solution. So to start, we have an access panel right here, and it uses a T25 Torx bit to take off the one bolt right here. We remove the two rear cage bolts, and then from there you can start installing the box. Okay, so with this access panel removed and the two rear cage bolts unbolted and taken out, you can now use the supplied bracket we give you to hold the box down in place, and they're going to be using the original two cage bolts to hold it back in place. Okay, now that both sides are in, you're going to want to leave these loose to be able to put the box in, and then once you tighten the box to the brackets, that's what squares it up, and then you can tighten the cage bolts. With the brackets we supplied loosely bolted in place using the two rear cage bolts, it's now time to set the box in the tray. With the box now in place, you can go ahead and open the lid. Be careful because this is spring weighted for the weight of a spare tire. Now, using the supplied hardware we give you, you can go ahead and bolt the box to the brackets using a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket. You can go ahead and tighten these down fully, as this is the final installation of the box. After your box is bolted to the brackets and you start tightening these, you're going to want to use the manufacturer torque spec of 40 foot-pounds to torque down your cage bolts. Then you can go ahead and reinstall your access panel. It goes right here using your T25 Torx bit. And you're done. Now you can go out and enjoy your new storage solution box.